clearly identifying software required for release 12.2.0 installation. Now, coming out of my own experience, when I started downloading from eDelivery website, I have struggled a bit in terms of understanding what software I should download, because there are a number of softwares out there and I couldn't find a place wherein it's clearly written that these are the software required for release 12.2.0 and these are the software required from upgrading from release 12.2.0. So it took me a while to find out that, and that's where I thought I should share that with you. So the first thing that we will do is we'll minimize this and we'll go to eDelivery website and we will see where to download the software from. So first go to edelivery.oracle.com, which is this one, and then log in with your user and password, accept the license information, these terms and conditions, and then hit the continue button. Sometimes it's a bit slow, is it not? So just hold on for a minute. And that will lead you to a media pack search page. So all you've got to do is from this list, you've got to choose e-business suite. Okay, and depends on your platform what you are. In our case, we have installed on Linux x86-64, but feel free to choose whichever platform you want and choose that and hit the go button. And what will happen is, okay, let's do this again. All right, don't know why it's come again. And then what will happen is going to list you all the software you require to download. All right, from this list, as you could see, the latest one here is 12.2.2.4, but don't get deceived by this, because that 2.4, the .4 is for Oracle Indica Media Pack. Okay, so what you've got to do is you've got to click on the second one, which says Oracle e-business suite release 12.2.2 Media Pack for Linux x86 64-bit. All right, so click on that one. And there you go. So here, as you could see, there are a whole lot of software list over here. So you can see, starting from 12.2.0, all this. And then if you keep scrolling down, you also have media pack for 12.2.2. So what people will do who have not installed this software, they simply download everything from here and start making the staging area for all the software. But you don't have to do that. You've got to select the software, and in fact you should download only the ones which is from 12.2.0, plus you also have to download a couple of other things. So to make your life easy, what I have done is, instead of all these software downloads, I have simply written a small blog on our website. So if you go to www.aclnz.com, you simply go to resources, and here from resources simply go down and hit the blogs, and in the blogs I have written a blog for the software download. So instead of scrolling down on the blogs, because there are many, simply type 12.2.0, okay, and hit the enter button, and hopefully it should get you the search. And here scroll down and find the blog, which is called as mandatory software requirement for Oracle e-business suite 12.2.0 installation. So click on this one, and then here you can see the list out here. So these are all the software that you must download from this eDelivery website. So as you would see, it doesn't contain everything, but it clearly identifies basically every component that is required for 12.2.0. Okay, so just make sure that you align your download with what you have it over here. And even though it says prod, you've got to download this. And if you are installing the Vision environment, so you've got to download the CDs that's got this prod word in it as well as vision word in it while you are installing your vision demo database environment. So scroll down, it will also have 2 extra CDs for, or I should say 3 extra CDs. One is called as Oracle eBusiness Suite Release 12.2.0 for Linux x86-64 Rapid Install Technology one-off patches. So this one you must install. And then you've got this one, Oracle Fusion Middleware WebTire Utilities 11G Patch Set 5 11.1160 for Linux x86-64. Now in this one, this is a little bit tricky because it doesn't have 12.2.0 word in it. So you would never know that you've got to download it as a part of 12.2.0 installation. Likewise, you should also download, or in fact you must download, Oracle WebLogic Server 11G R1 1036 generic and coherence. This is also a must-have CD. So only when you download the software you would be successful in installing 12.2.0, and please make sure you don't download extra software while you are installing 12.2.0. You would require separate software for 12.2.2